Speed of RTY 61. Lower bands touch RTY on the 37.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is out of the box, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew.
Speed of RTY 77. Speed of RTY 77.
Test one. Are you ready? It is Thursday. It's one of those news days. Probably got a lot of news going on there today. Let's go to the bottom left here. And let's see what we got going here. I am late. It is 9:43, about 13 minutes past the U.S. Open. Getting a little hard for me right now adjusting to got the homeschool routine, kids getting back into things here. I like what's setting up here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on continuous. And big move up here. Looks like a yummy trap. Got the 940 to 950 reversal. Wow, that happened right at 940 to the time there. 940. Beautiful trap. Look at the smooth legs. We just talked about this big time yesterday. Smooth legs. Those are the ones to not trust. Nice smooth legs down that catch your attention. To the left here. Yeah, and from a cadence perspective, okay, I'm gonna start buying in right here. I'd prefer to see an alpha omega there, but I'll start adding in here on that first cross. If we get a second one, I'll add to that position here. And that looks like a pretty nice, decent looking trap here. We are buy side right now on MACV Ultimate. There we go. There's target one. See if we get some runner legs out of that or not. Yes. Yes. King timing. I'll add to position on king timing. See if we can get some more out of it. Add on across. Ooh.
Target filled.
Okay, that made me a little bit nervous, the fact that it didn't go straight to 10 there.
Speed of RTY 103.
Okay. Ooh, is it going to get me? Might get me on that. Yep. Okay. Something else is going on here. What's happening? More super smooth legs there. That should get, I mean, that's getting everybody's attention right there. I want to play a trap again. Trade one.
Speed of RTY 76. Speed of RTY 76.
Looks like a Richie. Could be a Richie trap right here. Here comes king timing. More smooth legs. You know me, I don't trust it. There's a ready up. All right, I'm looking to take the next play here after this ready up.
Speed of RTY 71.
That's 3 legs. See if we get 4 and a dog head for a dog trap. I will take a 4 LDT right here if it lets me have it.
Enigma long on the RTY1.
All right, we'll take an Enigma here. The moonshot. Oh, don't play me like that. We just went strong sell. Don't like that.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
Okay, hopefully double cross at the bottom of a zone here. Hopefully helps me out. Zone is very narrow.
Speed of RTY 87.
Come on, king timing. There we go. Come on, king timing. Push it. Boo. All right, trade number 2.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
Retry is here at this double white line.
Speed of RTY 60. Speed of RTY 60. Enigma long on the RTY4.
Okay, came in on the 4s, and it's a level 23. Top side. 9:52. I'm assuming we'll have some news at 10 a.m.
DCDMRT.
Okay, we just went neutral. That's good. On the Mac VU. All right, there we go. Big white cross here. Hopefully we start an accumulation here and give me enough room here to get some targets.
DCDMRTY on the 1. DCDMRTY on the 1. Enigma long on the RTY1. DCDMRTY on the 1.
So lower time frame here, we got a cross at the top of a zone, double cross at the top of a zone, so I had to peel some, show you what I'm talking about. So got a double cross right in front of it, and there's an ET target right there, so I decided to take off half. I was already pretty heavy here, and let's see if we can, if I can ride 20 here up to that ET target or not. And I'm basically on a manual close at this point. That single cross on this time frame ended up turning into a double cross now, so that's a change from my original idea. as I began this trade.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 37.
Okay, nice smooth legs. You know, that's generally going to be a trap scenario. I have not seen clustering here this morning, so I do believe that let me get this in the proper location here. Let's get this under Enigma. So smooth legs. Again, I have not seen clustering, so it tells me it should be semi-normal, at least at this point of the day. And so traps should be set like they usually would. I see smooth leg, see some more smooth leg, and then tap in on standard trap setups is what I'm looking for here this morning. Here comes king timing up on the 4s. Is where this play originated from. Okay, we got divergence with us as well now. That should help. But will it be enough? That is the question. We're going to need a few more likes, or I'll have to cut the stream. We're already at 17 minutes, 50 likes, or I'm out. Y'all know the drill. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute. All right, news coming out here in 30 seconds.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 37. Speed of RTY on the 37.
Alexa, stop.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 37.
All right, targets filled. So we got the big green dot came in there on the wave chart. Bottom left, I'll show you what I ended up yanking the close on. So I closed it right there at the 12.4. Got buy side right now. Strong buy.
Enigma short on the RTY1.
That's on the flat. I'm actually going to take that as a reverse.
Target.
There we go. So that was MACV direction, and look where we were. We were literally at the flat line. So what happens to Enigmas at the flat line, right? They're trouble, aren't they?
Speed of RTY 390.
So blasted that one through. It was the right decision. Trade number 3 and trade number 4. All right, we got some more ready ups here after the news. Let me shift back to small here now. Where is small? 5 small, 5 small, 5.
Speed of RTY 169.
Okay, news has things coming. Got things going there for us. That's high of day right there, that green dash line. The other item down there, remember I said divergence showed up with the news, pushed it down just a little bit more, gave us a blue dot, which is one of the most powerful fib dots for this rocket launch. Movement here, pretty nice. All right, here's king timing. Would love an alpha omega here. I want a 1AO or a four-legged dog trap. I see 1, 2, 3 legs. Give me a little doggy head here. Nope, there was no little head. Okay, there's a little head. It's more like a 3 LDT. Just looking for a bonus right now. I'm already winner, winner, chicken dinner. I've already had 2 winners in a row. So now it's just bonus. Is it going to give me my 2K? Let's find out.
Speed of RTY 87.
All right, I'll take it right there at the red. Winner, winner, chicken dinner plus a bonus. Let's move back here to the full 4K screen here. So there's my, we had 2 losers back to back. Then we had winner, winner. And now the bonus gets me to almost 2K. I need about 90 bucks. I'm probably pretty sure I'll get that later today.
Speed of RTY 82.
All right, so walking through everything that went on there. Well, oh, you guys can see all my screens right now. Okay, so all the new people, don't freak out. There are 5 charts here.
Advanced touch RTY on the 37.
All the ICT people, don't let your brains melt and fall out. Get back to your Uber route. Okay, you'll be fine. You'll be able to drive your car today. You'll be fine. So within the 5 time frames, let's look how that all kind of worked together there. So there's the beauty right there. I mean, the call plus big long leg, double cross. We were trying to get an accumulation there first when it was 1 cross, but once it went 2, that changed things. Okay, so whole different animal. We got the giant green dot on the wave.
Speed of
plus the blue.
97.
Very nice structurally, especially at the news, right? Moved structure into the news. Boom. News was the launching point. Technically speaking, we got the technicals of the structure. Then order flow told us the rest with RTOFA. Beautiful plays there. And of course, the initiation of all this was a level 23. And you know me, if it is 20 or more, you know I want it. All right, I'm gonna take this. It's only 9.1, so it could be a little bit dangerous here, but I'll play this one out here. We are on strong buy right now. Move came down. It's a blue enigma here, and we'll see if we can get. Oh, now it's a moonshot, so I'll add to that position on the cross. See if we can get something out of that like a boss.
Target filled. Target filled. Target.
Speed of RTY 61. Speed of RTY 61.
Target filled.
And there's my 2K on the morning, thanks to a beautiful moonshot. Look at that beauty. And Curtis is a beast.
Baby, I know it's been crazy, you don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. You know what to
Speed of RTY 65.
you're not here, it's just not on. No, I can't let go without you near. Feel alone. I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. I'll go box you, turn it all around.
Alrighty then. So I got a bonus, and I got a double bonus today. So I'm gonna go ahead and wave the hand at the bottom of the left-hand corner of your screens, and we'll take off the final coin. Cleared the deck today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. All right, so that one. Sorry, that's picking up some background noise there. So we ran that moonshot straight up all the way to its target. It's coming back up, tapping it once again. And hey, you know, we had strong buy going with us too. I mean, after big move up, news event came in, pushed us. Let's go. You know, come on. There's no better system in the planet, folks. I don't know what you're talking about. All right. Yeah. Where else can you do that? Anywhere? I don't think so. I don't think so. Is this going to do a 4 LDT right now? 1, 2, 3. Dude, this is about to be a 4-legged dog trap. Okay. So I told you guys, I'm out here on the live streams now with the small account challenge scenario. So I am going to stick to the SOPs, standard operating procedures. And while I'm not going to take this, I will walk you all the way through this just for you guys, because I love you so much. It's only been 27 minutes. So 27 minutes, $2,700. I mean, what's the hourly rate on that? 27, let's see, that's $6,708 an hour. Thank you, Eddie. Pretty crazy.
I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. Algobox makes trading like a game.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, watch for the little doggy head right around here, right around that red line. $100 a minute.
Speed of RTY
that's not too bad.
52. Speed of RTY 52.
Nope, no doggy head. Okay, so again, that was simple structure. We got no order flow to come along with it. If we get the first alpha, dude, if we have not seen an alpha omega yet after this move down. All right, so I will take the first alpha omega. If the market's going to hand out candy again today, I mean, I'd be dumb not to. There's a diamond. Give me a cross. Give me something. No, we went to moderate sell. Okay, so I'll hold. We are no longer on buy side anymore, so I'll hold out. Oh my goodness, are you going to make that straight of a leg? Okay, if we get an alpha omega, I'm going to take it. Just give me an alpha omega.
Speed of RTY 66.
Okay, there's the ready up. There's the ready up. I'm just waiting. Just give me the play. There's the ready up. Waiting for an RTOFA. Right back to prior close. Look at the P point. 6.5 came in at the P point. Right to the prior close.
Speed of RTY 84.
Remember where the news started. The news jump started at the blue dot right here.
What's her name? Sometimes to love someone, gotta be a stranger. The night will hold us close and the stars will guide us home. I've been waiting for this moment when we're finally alone.
There's cross one.
Speed of RTY 59. DCDM RTY.
There's cross two. Yikes. It's double cross at the top of a zone, so might need to kill that. Yep, killing it. Okay. So double cross top of a zone, and let's go remove the old zone here. Control R. Yes. And but here is the new zone right here. So double cross top of a zone. No bueno. Here's ready up again. So I want to take whatever the next play is here. I'm going to increase quantity on an alpha or a Enigma. If Enigma fires off, it's on full auto. It will automatically enter me. I had been super slick. As soon as that second one showed up, I could have punched the reverse. That's what I should have done there.
DCDM RTY on
Double cross at the bottom of a zone. I'll take it. The open line down below us.
Target filled. Target filled.
Thank you very much. I'll take 3K on the day. Triple bonus today. Come on. DCR. Everybody type DCR in the chat if you don't know what that is. It's a double cross reversal at the bottom of a zone. Double cross the top of the zone. Double cross, move it down. Double cross, move it up. Simple. But only with Algo Box. Okay, we are still moderate sell.
Speed of RTY 58.
And go ahead and turn off continuous here, because now that we're in this little zone, I want to manually decide right now. We're sitting at that prior close, so you know, who knows? We could just sit here for a bit. We could get Medusa affected here, and we're pretty much done for the day here. But I commit to you guys to be out here for 60 to 90 minutes. So we'll walk through more trades as they set up. Okay, we got a ready up here. So ready up. I like to take the next play, whatever the next play is. You're loving those DCRs, plutonium? Oh yeah, I mean, I love them. I mean, it's so simple, highly visual, and easy to play. And you know your stop, right? You know your stop is small, risk is small.
Speed of RTY 52. Speed of RTY 52.
Okay, we popped out of that zone, but look what happened. We just went back to strong sell. So that could be the bull trap right there. So we should be looking for shorts now with the giant strong sell over here. So this is where I would arm short up here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the next play on the short side. You understand that with the full auto? Like if we got an Enigma up here with these nice smooth legs, yeah, I want to take it. Double cross, top of a zone. Technically, you could take this as a short back down into the zone. The fact that we went strong sell. Now, if we move to neutral, you got to cut it. Okay, I'm going to short this back down to the zone, midpoint of the zone. Stop above this first cross, little small cross. Also, if I see this pop to neutral, it's also, I'll take a loss. I'll close it out if that goes to neutral. Okay, stopped out there. Yeah, went to neutral almost at the exact same point there. So we tried. We went from this is no longer multi-market sell side. Came up there. Snapped it out there. Yeah, and we're doing this in the middle of coffee time, right? Like this is a lower probability time frame for kind of our standard setups. Now, Enigmas work really well during this time frame, generally. So, oh, okay. So take off
Speed of RTY
the short
66.
idea there because we just went to buy side. Okay, so they are shifting here. So we got to just adjust right back to the P point. Is LunchBot the same as EnigmaBot? No, bro. Greg, go through the training, bro. No, absolutely not. Watch the videos, browse. Premium member videos. Bot stuff is about midway through the video list there. There are 3 videos on LunchBot. Right in the middle of the list.
Fib.rty on the 37.
All right, we are now strong buy. All instruments to the long side right now. Okay, looks like the stair steps, yes. Stairway to heavens, yes. So first alpha omega.
Enigma short on the RTY4.
You know I'm going to take that, right? So I'm looking for an alpha omega. And you know how I like to play against smooth legs, so kind of jumped that one. I feel like a bunch of people jumped in on that. Did you see how that slipped as I went to press the button? That's crazy.
Target.
Just stairway to heaven. Wrong buy. I don't like that that was a smooth leg up right there. It's two smooth legs up. So now we've got the opposite happening here. Not perfect little steps anymore. We like a grind up. We don't like a fast up. It gets retailers looking at it. That's looking too juicy for retail. I'm going to be disciplined here. I'm going to wait now for the alpha omega or an order flow event. The ready up is here. We got a smooth leg, but we did not get an order flow event to come along with it. So that was purely structure. We also have an 18.8 that came in on the 4s up top. Yes, it's a good way to remember it, Petro. With Harry against smooth. Yes. Now the Harrys, there's those little stubbles technically. I want stairs. I would say with stairs against smooth to be technically correct, because even a smooth leg can have a few stubbles, you know, the hairs, but yeah, I get you. Play against the smooth.
DCDMRTY on the 1. DCDMRTY on the 1.
Okay, we're getting a cluster here, and we are still strong buy side. I'm going to go ahead and punch in a long here on lower time frame. Not getting heavy here by any means, but we got a cluster here. We got two smooth legs down. We also have a GLR right here that I can play off of. Put my stop below the crosses. Here in buyers. Might not be enough. Ooh. Okay, there's ready up. There's a GLR right there on a smooth leg. Double GLR. Pop me into it. So trying a little GLR there. Gold line reversal off of the gold line target. It's also exactly where the ET20 target is for that. Another cross there. Add on a cross for me. That is the ET20 target for the 4s up top. Boy, another smooth leg. I like the speed down.
Speed of RTY 66.
Target filled.
I'm going to pull a half right there since I was wrong at my position. So I tell myself if I was wrong, I got to at least pull half. So I pull half at my entry. If she keeps running, great. But okay, pulling half again right there. I'm going to go ahead and add a stop, and I'm going to put it at break even. Go basically like, well, if I was right, great. If I wasn't,
67. Speed
totally understand. All right, $400 superstition right now. I'm at 3,600 on the day. $400 superstition. I'm going to kill it. $400 superstition, too strong. Holding into a position at 3,600 for me. I just know. It might be a mental thing, but I don't think so. I feel like there's a thing there. All right, to break this $400 superstition, what do I do? I pull out the Superstition Buster ATM. That's right. All right, to get to my 4K now. You see how smooth that leg was? If you see how smooth that is, type of 1. If you don't understand the smooth leg, type of 2. And again, play against smooth legs. With the stairs against the smooth. And even better if you can do it in the direction of the MACV Ultimate. Currently, we are on moderate buy. Still looking for that first Alpha Omega after move up. Haven't seen one. Today is definitely different from, let's see, was it 2 days ago? We had the clustering of AOs. Today is almost vacant, right? If you notice, there aren't many AOs today. So this is why I say, okay, standard day. Fairly easy. Just like yesterday. I like those kind. I can read the traps. traps are not, say they don't work, but they're just definitely not as effective on those grinder days that we are able to detect with the system, right? When the system shows you AO clusterings in the lowest time frames and you're like, okay, today's going to be a grinder and a trend, then the traps are not valid. Make sense? I saw all ones, not any twos. So you guys can see the smooth leg. Beautiful. Okay, we are now neutral. So back to being careful here. Now, let's look at the big picture. All right, big picture, we've been in an 89 tick range. Can you tell? Those are 89 bars, right? And they're almost 1 bar wide. So 89 up, 89 down, 89 up, 89 down. 89 up, 89 down. All right, at some point, you know, this is going to move, whether it's today or not. Don't know. I would imagine with as much time as we have today, I think it would. So you got to be careful somewhere in there. You start to see AO clustering on the lower time frames, then look for the trend after. Does everybody understand that? If you do, type AOC in the chat. AOC. Alpha Omega clustering. Yes, Mr. Cybot. That's right. Yesterday's example was awesome. Smooth legs coming down, then cluster, and stairs going up. Yes. But as of right now, there's no AO clustering at all. There's hardly any AOs at all, which means we can play normal. Like, basically every play can be used. So now I just use the system. Let the tools do the work. I can sit here and work through trades. Show me a setup. I'll play it in the direction of the Mac VU. Easy. And then give me a setup. What's the setup? I got a question for you guys.
Enigma long on the RTY1.
Oh, it's a moonshot. I'm not going heavy on it. Why? Because we're neutral, right? We're neutral right now. We could pull out of that neutral, hopefully. But this is kind of some stair steps down, so don't like that. Although it did start out with a smooth leg down, and that's a smooth leg, so it's smooth leg, smooth leg, smooth leg. Hopefully that's a trap. And we get enough for a pop-up here. We're also on king and large timing here, so hopefully that's helpful. But I need to hear something on the tape, you know what I mean? I'm not going to risk too much. I'm keeping it right there back behind the moon. Oh, I forgot I'm on the time. Oh man, I was like, why am I so big? What? I was like, I was only trying to go 5. I was on the wrong ATM, y'all. All right, I'm starting to flub things up. Yeesh.
Target filled.
All right, since I was the wrong size, that off there. Go by 1, please. Thank you very much.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
All right, hopefully that turns into a double cross double move to a target up above. That looks very trappish there. And with that, at the same time, I'm at 3,600 again. So I am acutely aware that I am actually kind of really jacking this up. Superstition is in play. I'm at 3,600 right now. There's the ready up. I mean, we're at it. Double cross. That is technically at the top of a zone though, so that could push it right back down. We got several things happening here. Yikes just went to neutral, but we have been on buy side, so I have to go buy side bias. There we go. We're on the buy side. Come on now. Come on, pick it up. Pick it up. Fake them out. Come on, be nice to me. Boo. All right. $400 superstition is still legit. It becomes hard. Look at that. All right, so marked out with an F11. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get trapped right there. Give me a doggy head. That'll work.
Speed of RTY 66.
Come on, it's a beautiful little doggy head. Now pop up. Closing it. $400 superstition is so legit. I literally saw, even right there, 3640 right there. It was 3640 at that little tip. Again, nope. It was like 3600 and you're still in a position. Nope. Not happening. Yeah, it went to strong sell. We got a new bar on the 89s now, so... Okay, we have been here for 1 hour. 1 hour and 1 minute. Oh, oil news is moved to today instead of Wednesday because of the holiday. Makes sense. All right, king timing push. I'm going to try it one more time. Same idea that I had before. Same spot and location. See if that trap is going to help me out here. Feels like a trap, but it might be trapping me. 2, 3, cross 1. Give me a second cross would be even better. Stops at the bottom of this cross. I mean, most of the time, that's a trap. Boo. Not today, Satan. Double cross, bottom of a zone. Come back through that white line. You know I have to retry it. Where's the middle of the zone? Middle of the zone is here.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
That should have got everybody looking for that short. It should have got a lot of people. That felt, okay, press the short button. Like that should have gotten them in there. Give me a little doggy head, and let's see if I can make up for it here and push it. I have overstayed my welcome. Also having to keep that in mind. Traded beyond my 5 trades plus bonus. Did really well, and then we've kind of fallen into this space here, 1045. Oh man, are we coming all the way back down to the... Oh, finally, we finally see a 10. Are you kidding me? Finally, she shows up. The first Alpha Omega we have seen in forevers. It's been the one we've been waiting on like all morning. Been wanting to see one of those. And it's a cluster. Thank goodness. Where have you been, my friend? Wish I could have been patient enough to wait for you. Insert hashtag story of my life. All right, killing it. Gonna rename the title of this video, How to Turn a Green Day into a Red Day. Continue to come out here and keep trading. Those are so smooth. They're not going to work out. Like, they're not. Unless this 89 is just falling out of bed. I don't think it is. thing I am trying to remember though. So here was the news at this spot right here. Here's where it launched out of the news. So if this was the fake move out of the news, be like, well, this is how they responded. Oh, it's good. And they're like, actually, it's not, right? And they could do that. This is the first alpha omega we've seen a very long time. So if they're going to start to show up now and cluster up and turn this into back half of day trend day, well, we'll know on this lower time frame when it shows us if it starts clustering up, showing more of those. But right now we are in strong sell, so I can't just whip it. The full trap is not set if there's going to be a trap. Okay, we're getting ready ups and double king timings right here. So waiting for the plays. Okay, lots of smooth leg here. New bar on the 89.
Enigma short on the RTY1.
That is a 24.8.
Speed of RTY90. Speed of RTY90.
Is a hard read. So we got 24.8 coming in right here. We've moved down so hard and that came down so fast. Feels very trappish. But that is a 16.5 coming in from the, okay, they're like, and I'm taking profits. We've got people jumping in at the bottom. Don't like it. Moderate buy. If we go neutral, I'm going to reverse this. Yeah, if you keep riding the bull will eventually get you. You know my thing. Right? Doesn't matter how good you are. Like that bull is, it's a thing of nature. It's a freak of nature. All right, I'm gonna pull half there at the bottom here. Four smooth legs down. Could be a four-legged dog trap right there. A little mini one. Still strong sell. If you're going to call a moonshot on RTY2, call the direction. I say this all the time in the live chats. Why do you guys just say moonshot RTY on 2s? What direction? A moonshot does not have a direction. Long, short. Long, and it's a 20.2. Well, thank you. Lovely.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 37.
Too late.